Ingonyama yesizwe samaNdebele uSipho Mahlangu ibibalwa nabaholi abaqavile emphakathini kwazise ibingusihlalo wendlu yobuholi bendabuko kuzwelonke. Ngaphezulu kokuba umholi onohlonze ibiyinsika yekhaya, ingumyeni oqotho kumkayo, ingubaba oqotho nasezinganeni zayo.
Thank you for loving me. Thank you for treating me like a queen. Deep within my heart, there's a special place filled with precious memories of you that will never fade away.
Daddy, you will be missed dearly, and there will always be a U-shaped hole in my heart. But I trust that you've given me the skills to survive without you. And I pray that you give Mama the strength to take care of me, so that when I'm old enough, I will also be able to take care of her, just as well as you would have.
Ngonyama Mahlangu ibiqhuquzela namakhosi jikelele ukuba asebenze ngokubambisana nosomabhizinisi ukuletha intuthuko ezindaweni zasemakhaya.
Did not only lead the National House of Traditional Leaders, but served as an inspiration to provincial and local houses. He mobilized and influenced partners in private and public sector to join hands with houses of traditional leaders.
Phezu kwalokhu isebenze ngokubambisana noHulumeni ukuqeda indlala kanye nokuqikelela kulondolozwa kwamasiko esintu.
Sibhlungu ngokhanjelwa inkosi uMahlangu. Umntana kasenza ngakhona who spent his life in a noble struggle to make sure that people don't go hungry, that we eradicate poverty in this country, inequality, unemployment, and align traditional leadership and government and work together for the sake of our people.
We have indeed lost a proud repository and custodian of our customs, tradition and culture.
Ingonyama uSipho Mahlangu ekhotheme ngolwesihlanu olwedlule kanti yangena esihlalweni sobukhosi bamaNdebele ngo-2005 njengoba ibuse iminyaka ecela kwe-16. Izintambo yazithatha emva kokukhothama kukayise Ingonyama usenza ngakhona.